Let's get moving this morning. Curl the hamstrings. Reach the arms back. We got 10 minutes of low impact, mood boosting. There it is already. Energy lifting movements for you today. Today, I want to focus on unconditional happiness. Just think of that concept. We put so many conditions on our happiness. How can we be happy regardless of what's going on outside of us? As I continue to recover, I feel this deep sense of gratitude for the ability to move, to be alive, to breathe, and trying so desperately hard not to allow the things that are outside of my control to affect what's going on the inside. To remain positive, uplifted in all situations. And I fail miserably many times throughout the day, but I'm going to continue to work on it. And I really do feel like light, gentle movement first thing in the morning is such a great way to lift our spirits and help us to take a little bit of control of our attitude, of our energy. Really, ultimately, the only thing we have control over is our attitude. So let's pick a real good one this morning. Have a brilliant workout, light and easy, nothing crazy, I promise you. Let's just shake that out. Let's just move around our space, get the body warmed up. If you're new here, I'm just in a recovery process, so everything's very simple, as they often are. This is more about just being active, getting us primed for the day, encouraging movement. Once we move a little bit in the morning, does that inspire us to move more throughout our day? Finding small windows throughout the day where we can be more active. Coming to you from outside again. Oh, spring is here. Let's get out more. Get that fresh air, connect to nature. Okay. Oh, I'm just going to open up with a little bit of a step. So we're going to build nice mobility in the upper back while we keep the lower body moving. Oh, my lighting might not be perfect as the sun's just coming up. Maybe I'll be able to fix that a little bit in post, but hey, let's just move along. We're not concerned with the conditions. That's not going to affect our happiness. A little bit of lighting is not the worst thing. We can be happy regardless of what the lights are doing. Just open it up. I'm outside also, because when I'm inside, there's quite a big piece of furniture that I have to move before I film. I physically can't move it right now. So I've been wanting to get outside, so what a great opportunity since I physically am incapable of doing it indoors. Let's get outside and enjoy the spring. And hopefully this is a bit of an encouragement too. That evening walk, getting outside even for 5-10 minutes throughout your day, as many times as possible. Happy days. Ooh. All right. Shake that out. Shake, shake, shake. Just going to bring the knees up. A lot of very similar moves we've been doing throughout these sessions. Things that I'm really comfortable and confident with as I get a little stronger each day. But want to stay that way, taking it nice and easy. Get that leg up as much as you can. Arms come up as high as possible as well. This is all I have. They do say Helsinki, Finland, one of the happiest cities, happiest countries in the world. And I think it is the nature that's got a lot to do with that. We have so many forests and parks everywhere. I think that's got a great deal to do with it. If you can get outside, oh, it really does boost our mood. We are meant to be outdoors in nature. It is lovely to have warm or cool homes, depending on where you're at. There's no doubt. But getting out and embracing the elements and not allowing the conditions to affect our happiness. Oh, it's a cloudy, rainy day. Wonderful. Happy days. Yes, I live on a planet where water falls out of the sky. How incredible. Oh, okay. Oh, this move just feels so good for me. Oh. Open up that upper back. We spend so much time on our phones and computers. As we continue to spend less and less, that's the goal here too. A little less screen time. Use those incredible tools. Okay, I'm gonna go laterally. I love being outdoors for this as well. Just as much as you can go in your space on the uneven terrain. We want to be outdoors for these reasons too. Just not walking on the sidewalk or flat paths, but getting out into areas where the terrain undulates. It helps with core stability and balance. Those are the things we want as we age. We don't need six-pack abs and beachbody arms. We need good stability, balance, strength. We want to live well into our hundreds. We're never old people. We will be young until the day we die. Yes, that's the mentality. Oh, having that kind of outlook. Just keep moving. I'm pumped today. Oh, I woke up a little less stiff, a little less sore. Oh, man. I think the practice of gratitude, it really is that practice. You get better and better and better at it. When you go through something like a surgery and your mobility is limited, feel a great sense of gratitude when you can move. Just keep going with me. There's the endorphins I'm looking for. I'm laughing a little at myself. Yeah, I talk. You should have seen what it was like when I used to drink. Wow, would I get chatty then. Thank goodness I've replaced that negative habit with a positive one with movement. I'm going to kind of come down just a bit, as much as I can. This is real. Just bend as much as you can. If you can get all the way down and do a great squat, go for it, please. For me, that's what feels comfortable. We're just moving to stay young, mobile. Oh yeah, okay. I do love this being outdoors and noticing people. Who's the dummy over there? We can't take ourselves too seriously either. Have a laugh. Ooh. Oh. Couple more. Oh. Oh. How's that feel? Some nice arm circles. And just move about your space. Oh, I'm kind of doing a little short series of move while you brew. You know, while you're tea or coffee in the morning. What's that take? 5-10 minutes max? Great opportunity for some movement. Just some arm circles. Maybe some push-ups on the countertop or just a plank hold on the countertop. A few squats, some lunges. Just more movement. Just small bouts of movement throughout the day. Move while you brew. Think of that today. Also, as we develop this unconditional happiness, unconditional well-being. Whew. Okay, let's do a nice stretch. Whew. We can build balance while we stretch the thigh and just kind of back and forth. Engage your core. Whoa. Yeah, my balance seems, I haven't done really anything balanced in a few days. Like anything, the more we practice, the better we are. We forget to practice for a bit. It goes away. Oh. As we continue to stretch here, we'll bring real presence into each move. The more present we are, the more abilities we have to focus on this moment and really stand right there. And the mind wanders, whoop, we bring it back. Ooh. As I almost fall. And if you do fall, have a smile, have a laugh. Hey, I'll try a little better next time. Oh, that was just my big sigh of feeling good. One more. Oh, that'd be really cool if they come in. Huge flock of geese coming overhead. Can you hear it? Canadian geese as well. Even here in Finland. Shake it out. Let's just spend just a moment together as we finish our session. Take a moment. Just connect to your breath and think about through your day of unconditional happiness. We don't let the conditions, the things outside of us affect what's going on the inside. It's your day today. Don't let anybody disrupt it. Affect your mood. I choose happiness today, regardless of what others do, what the weather does, the things that I cannot control. I spend no time on, no energy. I can control my attitude. I've just welled up with this incredible sense of gratitude. I feel like I'm vibrating right now. Movement really is medicine. Thank you so much. Continue to show up for yourselves. It really does matter. Comment, job done, I feel great. Just throw a comment out there. It really does help us get to more people like you. Give the video a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We want to build this community so we can encourage each other to move more often so that we can feel better. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.